So in this video, I'm going to be telling you about 5 things I love about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. If you're ready, let's get into the video. So the Buds Live joins Samsung's series of two other earbuds that have been launched in the market, and the Buds Live was Samsung initially 2 years ago launched the earbuds, and then it was immediately followed by the Buds Plus, and now we have the Buds Live. So when it comes to look and feel, the Buds Live looks really small. It's portable. It's really, I think Samsung did a good job in the design and the look and feel. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels really premium. As you can see, it feels really premium, and it has this nice glossy feel, and it's really not that big, but it's something that is unique. I don't know why Samsung called it Live. It looks really like a bean seed, and it's really pretty. It also follows kind of a traditional trend that Samsung has been following. This is the Buds Plus, and they kind of look, it just feels like Samsung took the best of this and designed this and shrinked it into something that looked like a makeup kit, but it's really beautiful and really looks really good. The Buds Live comes in Mystic Black. This is what I have here: Mystic Bronze and Mystic White. And I initially ordered for the Mystic Bronze, but for some strange reasons, when I was about to order for them, it said ships on the 11th. Then it immediately changed to the 14th when I ordered for them. Then I got an email saying the 21st, and then I called Samsung asking when exactly is this thing coming, and the customer care rep said, oh, it's actually going to come out get to you on the 25th. Then I said, hell no. I cancelled and immediately ordered for this. They said it was going to ship on the 11th, and I got it on the 13th. So I ended up staying with the Mystic Black, and so far so good. I think I made a good choice because I know everybody and everyone is going for the Mystic Brown or the Mystic Bronze, but I decided to stick with the Mystic Black. And from the last I checked on Samsung.com website in the US, the Mystic Bronze is going to be shipped on the 4th of September. So meaning, if you're still waiting for them to ship you the Mystic Bronze, good luck on that. But so far, I like the look and feel of the Buds Live. So moving on to battery life, the Buds Live with ANC on, without the case, the Buds Live has about 6 hours of battery life with ANC active noise cancellation on and Bixby on. But without the ANC and Bixby voice on, you're gonna get about 8 hours, and for the case you're gonna get about 29 hours. I was able to charge it for the period at which I was using it while going to work, and at home, and even while editing my videos. I was able to get, with the case, you're gonna get real world scenario, you're gonna get close to 27 hours of battery life with the case, with the Buds in the case, and about 21 hours if you're using ANC and Bixby voice on. So pretty much battery life is decent and it's really good, especially when you measure with other earbuds out there in the market. The Galaxy Buds Live is really a good buy if you're looking to buy a nice earbuds in the market, and it feels and looks different. That's my take of battery life. and that's my number 2 of the things I like. The number 3 things I like about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live is the fact that the audio quality is really good. The bass is really, really, really good compared to the Buds Plus. The Buds Live audio quality is really good. The sound quality is fantastic. It's louder than the Buds Plus, and also yeah, Samsung claims that the active noise cancellation is there, but it's to be honest, even right now I'm wearing this, the AC in my basement is on and it's loud. It kind of reduces it a little, but you can still hear it. But if your music is loud to your ear, you'll pretty much not really be distracted by the sound around you, as long as you have something playing or playing in your ears. You really wouldn't really much be that distracted with the noise around your surrounding. And another thing I like is this Buds Live has 3 microphones, 2 in the outer part and 1 inside, and also it also has a one-way speaker. So if you're thinking of buying the Buds Live because of ANC, I would say pretty much just get it with an open mind. I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube right now of people saying, oh, don't get it because of this, don't get it because of that. But you can't have every headphone or every earbuds centered into ANC or active noise cancellation. Sometimes people just want to hear what's around them and still also enjoy the music in their ears. Not everybody wants to drown and silence everything around them. Sometimes you just want to have the best of both worlds, a little bit of things around you and also still be able to concentrate and enjoy whatever you're listening to, whether it's music, whether it's podcast, or whether it's anything. Regardless of what it is, I would say the Buds Live will suit your audio taste because the audio quality is fantastic. It's way, way, way louder than that of the Buds Plus. And also, if you're making calls, the calls are clearer and sharper. And I'm going to give a bit of a test and you will see how the audio quality is with the Buds Live. Testing 1 2 3. This is an audio test of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. How does it sound? Another thing I like about the Buds Live is the fact that the price is being priced. If you're in the US, the price is priced at the Buds Live is priced at $170 or $169. But there's another trick I used in getting this. If you work for any big company that has partnership with Samsung, you could go there and link your work email or create your account with a work email, and you'll be able to get, depending on what company or agencies or multinational company you work for, you likely get a 7.5% discount off the Buds Live. It's something Samsung calls the employee discount. There are lots of discount programs that Samsung has. Samsung has the education discount, Samsung has the first responder discount, government discount, military discount, and employee discount. I used the employee discount and I got the Buds Live for $150 something dollars. So you can try it and see if you're gonna get it for $150 something. If it doesn't work, then you just have to pay $170 for the Buds Live. My number 5 thing I like about the Buds Live is the fact that it's really comfortable in the ear. It's awkward at one point where you just have to put it and you get scared it's going to fall off your ear, but this is really, really strong and it stays firm to your ear. Like, I could give you an example. Still there, it's still there. So you can see it stays, so you don't have to worry about if you're going cycling or biking, if you're wearing an helmet, if you're walking, if you're jogging, you're in the gym, you're jumping, you're skipping, you're hopping, you're hiking, whichever you do, no matter how much you shake your head, it is Buds Live is gonna stay firm to your ear, so you have nothing to worry about. And so far, I'm enjoying and rocking it, and good job, Samsung. So another bonus thing I like